Namaskar Internet, here we are in Jaisalmer. But why have we stopped here? Let's take a look. Can't read. Let's zoom in. Aha! English wine shop. Well, you got to pick up the old monk from here and then go that way. We are actually leaving Jaisalmer behind and heading towards some dunes. That's where our camp is going to be as well. We leave the highway, take a left, take a right, and from the looks of it, if this is how it's going to be, I have a feeling I'm going to be very, very happy. Welcome to Jaisalmer, rather the Sum Dunes. And this is called the Wind Desert Camp or the Winds Desert Camp. This is the tent that Neerav and I are sharing, and there she is, Aashi. It's all parked nicely. No stand needed, all set. Well, the tents and the rooms were very well appointed, almost too luxurious. I mean, I am missing that I didn't have my manicure and pedicure done before I came here, But regardless, we've got some light left. Let's head out. Soon we were on a trail which is actually one of the more popular areas for pretty much all the tourists to come. But hey, what do we have here? There is a group which has stopped. So somebody must have taken a tumble. Aha! Hello, Neerav. How's it going?
Wait, we'll help you. Good job, come on.
So when you can't help somebody, the next best thing is to encourage them. Well, he's back up. Everything seems fit and fine. It's time to try and get this heavy baby going in this deep sand. I mean, once you stop, you feel like a fucking duck. Okay, somebody's there. That's Jay. That's our captain. Okay, he's saying, okay, gas it, gas it. Should I go there? Yeah, go there, man. All right, here we go. Woohoo! Yeah, gassing it good. This is fun. So you think you're going fast for an uphill, but the moment you leave that throttle, the bike simply sinks in. In sand, I think there is just no letting go of the throttle. And these ruts that are made by the jeeps only make your life tougher. But is it better off the rut? Oh, I'm a little scared, might get stuck. Let's go back in the rut. Here we are. Oh. Alright, now that's a sight I don't want to be seeing too often. Aashi sensed she had fallen. She switches herself off. It's all soft sand. It's all good. Let's switch the ignition off because I can hear a fan whirring away. Okay, you gotta pick her up. Here we go. Okay, so where is everybody again? I mean, wasn't this supposed to be the way? Where are you guys? What's up? Anyways, let's get back on and try and get out of here. Rear view mirrors, very important. Hey, the bike's not moving. Why? What happened here? Strange. I mean, what could it be really? I'm looking at my rear wheel, it seems fine. Oh, I forgot to put the gear.
तू निकालेगा? छोड़ दो आपको मैं नहीं छोड़ दे मैं निकाल के देता.
You know, that really hurt. No, not the fall. That didn't hurt. The fact that two young kids are telling you कि मैं निकाल के देता हूँ तुमको तुम्हारा बाइक. So here I am, completely broken hearted with a big bruise, not anywhere else but it's on my ego mostly. And yeah, here I am making my way out onto the softer, harder sand. Anyways, I did this twice or thrice again. It was a lot of fun, and I'm going to leave you with another gorgeous montage that was shot by none other than Sean. And yeah, we had a bit of fun in the dunes, and in this shot you can actually see both of us blowing dust to the winds, trying to get our rears out of the sand. A lot of fun, but also a lot of work, especially because our techniques are still not in place and our bikes are pretty heavy.
ये कट जाएगा जो मुश्किल है, ये भी कट जाएगी जो है सवाल तो.
Dune bashing in the some dunes, be it on your bike or be it in one of these jeeps, is truly fun. And so if you happen to be there, you've got to give this a shot. Well, it was yet another beautiful day of riding. First on the long stretches on the tarmac, and then some real fun on these dunes. I mean, just look at those evening skies. For me, this is the shot of the trip. The Jeep, the KTM, and a Rajasthani lady walking by with her mobile phone. You might not have water here, but you have mobile network. Like in all the places that we go to, it's the kids that are the most curious. Back at the camp, we had tourists dancing to traditional music. There was a nice bonfire and a lot of chit-chat with all the friends around. Well, that's it for now. I'm going to see you in the next one soon. This is Vipin Mishra saying bye for now. Ride hard, ride safe.